This is a patient record taken from a real FHIR server with only 9 lines of Python code. In 2 weeks, you'll be writing this, and in 15 weeks, you'll be doing a great deal more. We invite you to develop FHIR applications using Python, an InterSystems developer course. Healthcare data has always lived in silos. Systems that don't talk, records scattered across vendors, custom interfaces rebuilt for every new connection. That isn't just an engineering headache. It's a delayed diagnosis, a repeated test, a clinician deciding without the full picture. FHIR has fixed this problem. One specification built on ordinary web technology, REST and JSON, adopted across health systems, governments, and vendors worldwide. It is increasingly required rather than merely recommended. If you build software for healthcare, FHIR is now part of the job description. So here's what you'll actually walk out with. A working FHIR client in Python. A secure application deployed to the cloud using Smart on FHIR and OAuth 2. And an AI feature grounded in real clinical data, one that cites the record it came from. Not 3 cases, 3 things you build. 15 weeks, 3 modules, 2 lectures and a hands-on lab every week, plus a live session with an instructor you could actually ask questions of. The learning path is deliberate. Weeks 1 to 5, FHIR resources, the REST API, your first Python client. Weeks 6 to 10, FHIR bundles, search, and automation, including bulk FHIR. Weeks 11 to 15, security, cloud deployment, and AI. You could start today knowing no FHIR at all. You'll work with Python against live FHIR servers on InterSystems IRIS for Health, a production-grade platform running in health systems worldwide. No, not a sandbox built for teaching, the real thing. You'll start with the fundamentals: creating, reading, updating, and deleting resources. Then move fast into search that scales, transaction bundles, and scripted pipelines that replace manual data pulls. We will work with a variety of bulk data servers, including InterSystems IRIS for Health Bulk FHIR Coordinator. You will also learn how to build Smart on FHIR applications with OAuth 2 v2 scopes for securing your application. We'll also turn to FHIR analytics using our FHIR SQL Builder to make analytics easy. And finally, we'll talk about cloud deployment. Each week, you will get structured FHIR Python assignments that you'll be able to test yourself, so you'll be able to track your progress very, very easily. We will cover FHIR and AI. Ungrounded models guess. Models grounded in FHIR cite the record they came from. You'll be building such applications and working with agent workflows that read and write clinical data under real guardrails. This is a part that many courses skip. These skills travel: FHIR developer, interoperability engineer, healthcare data analyst, health AI engineer. All you need to begin is basic Python. 15 weeks from now, you could be building the systems healthcare actually runs on. Enrollment is open. The link is on the screen and in the description. So come build with us.